Hey there, my name is Dr. Carl Baird. I am owner of Evolve Performance Healthcare here in Portland, Oregon, and the knee pain specialist who's going to be hosting a free knee pain workshop, which we're calling How to Put an End to Years of Knee Pain in Less Than 1 Month. So one of our goals here at the clinic is to help people make the best decisions for themselves when it comes to things like knee pain. And over the course of years that we've been helping people keep active, strong, and doing what they love, we found that a lot of people really just aren't sure where to start, or they've been given some kind of different advice that maybe has provided a little bit of temporary pain relief but hasn't fully solved the problem. So the general pattern is you start with a little bit of rest, but the minute you get active again, the knee pain comes back. Then you might start taking some ibuprofen, you'll go to your doctor, they'll take an x-ray, they'll say, hey, you have some arthritis, or your bone on bone is another thing that they say all the time, and that your only option is either to give up that activity or head down the injection and surgery route. And so what this workshop is going to offer is a completely different approach. One, it's a strength-based educational approach. It's going to show you how to keep active, strong, doing what you love, even if you've been suffering from knee pain from years. So just a few of the things that we're going to cover is, one, the root causes of knee pain that are most commonly overlooked by your doctor. Two, we're going to talk about the most common knee pain mistakes that keep you in pain for longer than you should. And most importantly, we're going to provide the exact plan that we use for people here in the clinic to help them overcome years of knee pain, even when nothing else has worked. So if you're somebody who's been experiencing knee pain that's keeping you from being as active as you'd like, or maybe you're starting to worry, geez, what happens if this knee pain gets any worse? What does the next 5-10 years look like if this knee pain doesn't go away? This free workshop is for you. So go ahead, follow the link and register. It will be over Zoom. And so even if you can't make the time, be sure to register, because we will be recording it and we can send it off to you so that you can watch it at a time that works better for you. So that's all I got for you today. I hope to see you at our workshop. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.